From the next adventure, greetings. In the midst of the bustle of modern life, desires for unrestricted mobility clash with sustainability and style. A revolutionary idea that reinvents adventure is the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome. Based on Honda's state-of-the-art electric van design, this prototype car promises zero emissions without sacrificing functionality. A next-generation solid-state battery pack and Honda's state-of-the-art E/N architecture electric motor, which can drive up to 500 kilometers (WLTP) between charges, provide the motorhome's impressive combined power output. Clean lines and futuristic aerodynamics, two aspects of Honda's man maximum, machine minimum design philosophy, are included into the exterior design. Energy efficiency is maximized by the solar panel's smooth integration onto the roof. On the road, large aerodynamic wheels provide a sleek and efficient image, and the Honda robotics-inspired taillights and adjustable LED headlamps add a highly contemporary touch. When you first arrive, the user interface is sleek and simple to use. A curving panoramic touchscreen that shows entertainment, AI-powered navigation, and vehicle information covers the whole dashboard. A crisp, distraction-free cockpit is provided by the two-spoke steering wheel and holographic essential information display, while haptic touch controls subtly and elegantly replace conventional buttons. A vast, multi-purpose room has been created by carefully using every square inch of the main area. The use of opulent materials to decorate surfaces, such as recycled vegan leather, sustainable maple wood, and inventive textiles, creates a homey yet modern atmosphere. LED ambient lighting may be adjusted to create a range of moods, from bright for business to soft and calm for leisure. The 360-degree swivel and electrically adjustable chairs offer a multitude of living room configurations for both socializing and individual relaxation. A hidden sleeping area is accessible at night by activating a button. A comfortable queen-size bed with organic linens and a memory foam mattress rises from the wall or floor. Panoramic windows with motorized shutters provide stunning views of the night sky, and an integrated audio system plays soothing natural sounds for a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is small but incredibly functional, offering both style and budget. The walls are made of lightweight, water-resistant composite materials, and the water-saving shower features a motion-activated sensor. Honda's environmentally friendly composting toilet and fold-down sink with automatic tap are two examples of its commitment to sustainability. An anti-fog LED mirror and a hidden storage container complete the area. The center of your culinary adventure is the versatile kitchen. A two-burner induction cooktop is seamlessly integrated into the elegant quartz countertop. An energy-efficient refrigerator and a pull-out freezer help keep ingredients fresh. A dual-filtration water dispenser, a compact convection oven/microwave, and ingenious dishware storage make cooking every meal easy and enjoyable. The 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is more than simply a vehicle. It is a representation of self-reliance, ingenuity, and commitment to sustainability. This means that your next vacation will be both fashionable and eco-friendly.